Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Tukur Hamid. Today we are going to learn how to read some Arabic words. So if you're set, let's get in. We are going to see some examples of words that have the Fatha, the Kasra, the Dhamma, and all the lengthiness so that we can consolidate the previous knowledge. Let's get into it. The examples with Fatha. The Fatha has the sound A. A. So here we would say Jimun with Fatha is Ja. Lamun with Fatha is La. Sinun with Fatha is Sa. Then this would be pronounced Ja, La, Sa. Right? Then we would say Jalasa. This is a complete word which means he sat. He sat down, right? So, jalasa. Dhalun with fatha is the. The. Ha'un with fatha, ha. Ba'un with fatha, ba. Then this is the, ha, ba. Dhahaba, which means he went. He went. So dhahaba. Qafun with fatha, qa. Ra'un with fatha, ra. Hamzatun with fatha, a. A. So this is qa, ra, a, which is qara'a. This means he read. Maybe he read the book. So qara'a. Qara'a, right? The examples of words with kasra. The kasra has the sound E. E. Short vowel. Ra'un with fatha, ra. Ha'un with kasra, hi. Mimun with fatha, ma. So this is ra, hi, ma. And it will be rahima, rahima. Ba'un with fatha, ba. Ra'un with kasra, ri. Hamzatun with fatha, a. So this will be ba, ri, a. Bari'a. Fa'un with fatha, fa. Ha'un with kasra, hi. Mimun with fatha, ma. So, fahima and fahima. Fahima means he understood, right? Fahima. The examples of words with the Dhamma. The Dhamma has the sound U. U. Short vowel. Kafun with fatha, ka. Ra'un with dhamma, ru. Mimun with fatha, ma. So, ka, ru, ma. Karuma. Fa'un with dhamma, fu. Ainun with kasra, i. Lamun with fatha la. So this is fu'ila. Then we will say fu'ila, fu'ila, right? Ba'un with dhamma bu. Nunun with kasra ni. Ya'un with fatha ya. So bu ni ya. And buniya. Buniya means it was built. It was built. Buniya al-Islamu ala khams. Okay, let's now look at the examples of words with sukoon. The sukoon is vowelless. The sound that it makes is the original sound of the letter. For example, letter like the ba'un, the sukoon of it will be b, b. The letter sinun, the sukoon of it will be s, s. So, it gives us the original sound of the letter without any addition. The sukoon does not begin a word. It may come at the end or in the middle of a word. Let's see how to read them in a word. Ya'un with fatha is ya. Sinun with sukoon will be s, s, right? Then kafun with dhamma is ku. Nunun with dhamma is nu. So this will be yes, yes, right? Ku nu. Yes, ku nu. Then this will be yaskunu, yaskunu, which means he is living. He is living there. He stays there, right? Yaskunu. So the sa'un will say s, s or as. Some people may say as, but we can also say s sound. That is, gives us the s sound, right? Good. So nunun with fatha is na. Hamzatun with sukoon is a, right? Then kha'un with dhamma is khu. Then dhalun with dhamma is dhu. So na khu dhu. Na khu dhu. Then this will be na khudhu. Na khudhu, which means we are holding, right? We are holding. Okay. Ba'un with kasra is B. Nunun with sukoon is an, an. Then ta'un with dhammatain is tun, tun. So this will be bin tun, right? Bintun, bintun. Okay, now let's look at the examples of words with the lengthiness. These are letters that are used with the short vowels to make them long vowels, right? We have the alif, the ya, and the waw. The alif will be used to lengthen or to elongate the fatha. We use the ya to lengthen the kasra, while the waw lengthens the dhamma. So here we are going to see how to use the alif to lengthen the fatha. Let's look at some examples here. Ta'un with fatha is ta. The alif that comes after it will lengthen the fatha on ta. Then it will be ta, ta, right? Then lamun with kasra is li. Then ba'un with dhammatain is bun. So this will be ta, li, bun. talibun. Then this will be talibun. Talibun. This is a seeker or a student, right? Mind you, the alif should not have any diacritic on it. When they have diacritics on them, then they are not lengthiness again. But when they don't have any diacritic, then they will be lengthiness. So the alif, the ya, and the waw should not have any diacritic on them to be able to perform this function of lengthening the short vowels, right? That's what we've seen here. So the next example will be Nunun with fatha is na. We have the alif of mad, that is the lengthener, then it will be na. Na, right? Then mim with fatha is ma. So this will be na ma. Na ma, right? So this is nama. Nama, which means he slept. He slept off, right? Good. So jimun with fatha is ja. With the alif, we would say ja, right? Then hamzatun with fatha is a. Then this will be ja, right? So ja, which means he came. He came, right? Okay. The examples of words with the ya'ul mad, the ya that elongates or the ya that lengthens the kasra. So examples: ta'un with fatha is ta. Wawun with kasra is we. Ya will elongate the kasra of we, thereby making it we. We, long vowel. Then lamun with dhammatain is lun. So this will be tawilun. 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 Tawilun, which means long, long or tall, right? Tawilun, right? Okay. Tha'un with fatha is tha. Qafun with kasra is qi. Ya will elongate the kasra of qi, thereby making it qi, long vowel. Then fa'un with dhammatain is fun. So this will be tha qi fun, right? So we have thaqifun. Thaqifun. Nunun with fatha is na. Dhalun with kasra is the. Ya'un without any diacritic will lengthen the kasra of the. Therefore, we will say the, long vowel. Ra'un with dhammatain is run. So, na the run. Nadhirun. Nadhirun. Okay. The examples of words with waw al-mad, that is the waw that lengthens the dhamma. So examples: sadun with dhamma is su. Su. Dalun with dhamma is do. Wawun without any diacritic will lengthen the dhamma of do. Therefore, we would say do, long vowel. Then ra'un with dhammatain is run. So this will be su do run. Sudurun. صدور. قاف with Dhamma is قو. لام with Dhamma is lu. Waw without any diacritic will lengthen the Dhamma of lu. So we would say lu. Then ba'un with Dhammatain is bun. This will be read qu lu bun. Qulubun. Jimun with Dhamma is ju. Dhalun with Dhamma dhu. Wawun will lengthen the Dhamma of dhu. So dhu. Then ra'un with Dhammatain is run. So this is read ju dhu run. Judhurun. Alright, we are going to stop here for today. Thanks for being part of my class today. Hope to see you next time.